Good evening and welcome to the first night of the 40th year. Believe it or not, the 40th year of Frederick County Academic Tournament. I am your moderator, Eric Reichel, and it is my great pleasure to be here. I want to thank Beth Strakonski and Kelly Meisner. I couldn't do it without them, that's for sure. And Noose Hism, who wrote all the chemistry questions for me. So, Brunswick, who's your captain this round?
I am.
Raise your hand. Aye.
Me, Mason Leffler.
Thank you.
Mr.
Mason,
Reichel,
okay.
are we going to introduce them?
Nope, we're not. We're
They're
going to
not going to say their names? Okay.
They're not. Their names are up on the screen. And if you'd read your intro, Mr. Scutchin, you wouldn't know that, but that's okay. William, A, B, or X?
X.
X it is. Okay, round one, here we go. Question one. Oh, remember, in this round, 6 questions. Guess if you can. If you get it wrong, you're not going to get points off. It's just like the regular old round 2 from the past. So, question 1. Sir William Golding submitted this novel's draft, whose title is a synonym for the devil, 19 times before being accepted. Name the novel with the characters including Ralph, Jack, and Piggy.
Angela, do you think that would be The Lord of the Flies?
Yeah, I guess.
Lord of the Flies?
That is correct. Question 2. What is the capital of Ukraine?
Mason, do you think that's Kiev?
Kiev.
Yes, Kiev.
That is correct. Question 3. His real name is Joseph Allen Meldandado Passage, but what name did he go by while appearing as the Tiger King?
Joe Exotic. It's Joe Exotic.
Joe Exotic?
That is correct. Question 4. After 74 years, which country reopened the archival records of the mass deaths at the hands of the Ottoman Turks during World War I?
You guys think that would be Armenia? Armenia?
That's a logical guess, but it's Turkey. So that's incorrect. Question 5. Element number 6 on the periodic table is carbon. How many neutrons are in each atom of the carbon-14 isotope?
Do you guys think that would be 8? 8.
That is correct. And question 6. In sports, what does the NHL stand for?
National Hockey League. National Hockey League.
You got National Hockey League.
That is correct, and that completes round 1 for Brunswick. 5 out of 6. Excellent. So now we are off to round 2.
Nathaniel, you have to check out, big guy.
So far, we've just got William staying on. William, Angela. You
Mason,
captain again, William?
I'm going to my breakout room. I got kicked out, that's all.
Eric, I had told these guys to identify when they introduce themselves, to identify themselves as the captain. So
I'm just going to ask each time at the start.
That's fine. That's terrific. Sorry that I did not.
No big deal at all, Lou. Yeah, I'm just trying to get it as quickly done as possible.
Oh, absolutely.
I said the same thing.
Totally
I said the same thing, and then Mr. Konsky said, yeah, those names are right there, so they're going to be identified, so that's cool. Because I felt the same way. These kids are great. They deserve identification. But all right, so we got William, Rebecca, James, and Elijah. Who's captain in this round? Rebecca? And Mike's on.
Yes, I'm the captain.
Rebecca's the captain.
Mr. Kelly, we're still missing.
Yeah, we're missing someone.
All right, James is a coach, not a student. Right?
There she is.
There we go. Paige. All right, we all set? And Rebecca's the captain, and we are in round 2, which is the math round. Right? In that round, we've got 4 questions, 2 math, 2 non-math. Everybody ready to go? William, put your mic on.
Oh,
there we
sorry.
go. And Paige and Elijah. Yeah. Okay, Rebecca's ready. Okay, question number 1, math. Evaluate the definite integral from -3 to -1 of 7x dx? Begin time.
Are we all in agreement for -28?
I can't do it integrals, and I don't know about these
Okay.
people, so I'm gonna defer to you there.
Yeah,
All
that
right.
sounds good.
Would that be -28?
It would be -28. Thank you, Rebecca. That's correct. Question 2. President Lyndon Johnson sent troops to this Caribbean nation to try and prevent an alleged communist takeover in the 60s. Name this country located on the island of Hispaniola with the capital of Santo Domingo.
Rebecca, do you think that would be the Dominican Republic? Everybody in agreement?
The Dominican Republic.
That is correct. Question 3, math. Given f of x equals x squared minus 4 for all x less than or equal to 2, and f of x equals 5 minus x for all x greater than 2, evaluate f of 3. Begin time.
Do you guys have answers yet?
I actually didn't catch the whole question. I'm sorry.
What about you two?
No.
Oh, well, can I did I got 0. Do you guys think it'd be 0?
Sounds good.
Sure. Zero. I'm sorry. 0.
0 is correct. And question 4. What is the symbol for gallium on the periodic table?
Do you guys think that would be GA?
GA.
Yeah, sounds good.
It is GA, and that completes round 2 for Brunswick. Well done.
Okay, Brunswick, please prepare for round 3.
We're still going to be under an hour, right? We're already in round. Oh, well, we have 2 more teams. Never mind. We're not. Okay. That's okay.
Do you guys know where Mr. Kelly went?
I assume
Into the breakout room.
Oh, okay.
Smart. Let's get the chemists in here. You hear me botch these names. Yikes.
Okay. Go.
And William, Andrew, we need one more.
Waiting for Caleb.
Who's captain this round?
Drew is.
Andrew, okay. Drew, okay. And there's Caleb. Okay, so microphone's on. All 4 ready to go. And Drew is the captain. Okay. All set? Everybody's ready? Question 1. Deuterium is one of 3 isotopes of which element?
Hydrogen, Drew.
Yeah, I agree. Hydrogen.
Caleb.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
It is hydrogen. 2. That was correct. Question 2. How many neutrons are in the most common isotope of lithium with a mass number of 7?
Would you guys agree that would be 4?
Yes.
Yeah.
It should be 4 because that would go 3.
Okay. 4.
4 is correct. And question 3. The elements whose atoms are filling their d orbitals belong to which group of elements?
Do you guys agree that would be the transition metals?
Yeah.
Yes, transition metals, if I'm not mistaken.
Transition metals.
That is correct, and that completes round 3. Well done.
right, let's prepare for the last round.
So we got William, we got Angela. You can put your mic on, Angela. That's 2. Rebecca. Need 1 more.
We need our captain.
Yeah,
I'll ask the question.
Our captain's got to get in here.
Ethan Hopko.
I got kicked off the call just now, and I had to like type in the whole password again and rejoin, so that might have happened to you too.
Yeah, that happened to me as well.
So what happened about the?
It's like when you try to go back to the main call, it kicks you out.
That's not fun.
Yeah.
Oh, there he
Or
is.
when you
Okay,
try to go to the peak hour.
Good job, Ethan.
there he comes.
What a deal.
All right. Buena suerte.
Okay, so we've got William, Ethan, Rebecca, and Angela. And as soon as Ethan's there, and I believe you told me that Ethan is the captain this round.
All right.
Ethan, you're the captain, correct? Okay, ladies and gents, are we ready? Round 4, question 1.
Yes.
Here we go. He was the hero of Washington Irving's The Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Name him.
Angela, do you know?
I know his ox.
Time. Answer, please.
Time, no
No
response.
response.
Ichabod Crane. Always dangerous questions. Question 2. This is a fee paid on borrowed money. When you apply for a credit card, make sure you know this rate because this quickly adds to your debt if you don't pay in a timely manner.
Do you guys
Would you-
think it's interest?
Yeah, I'd say interest.
Yeah. Interest.
Correct, Ethan. That's correct. Question 3. Transplant Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness into the middle of Vietnam during the Vietnam War, and you get this 1979 epic war film directed by Francis Ford Coppola.
Ethan, would you say that's Apocalypse Now?
Sure. Apocalypse Now.
That is correct. Question 4. This term names a specialized type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half.
Angela, would you say that's meiosis?
Yeah, I think so.
Rebecca?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Meiosis.
That's correct. Question number 5. Who was the first woman to make a solo flight across the Atlantic Ocean? She did it in 1932 and later disappeared after a flight went wrong in 1937. Name her.
I think you guys would agree Earhart.
Yeah. Yeah.
Earhart.
Amelia Earhart, that's correct. Question 6. House Martell, House Tully, House Greyjoy, and House Aaron are all part of what George R.R. Martin fantasy series. You may give me either the title for the whole series or the title of the first novel that came to stand for the whole series in the HBO version.
Would you guys say Game of Thrones?
This is Game of Thrones. Yes.
Yeah. Game of Thrones.
Or A Song of Fire and Ice, that's correct. Question 7. This is the second deepest freshwater lake on Earth at over 4,800 feet deep. It is the second largest in terms of volume. It is possessed primarily by Tanzania and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Name this lake.
I'm thinking either Lake Tanganyika or Lake Victoria. Which one? Do you guys have any clue? Just go Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria.
I'm sorry, it's Lake Tanganyika. Good try, William. 50-50. That was excellent playing, Brunswick. Excellent job. Very, very well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And you can go back to your breakout room. Thank you for joining us this evening.
Well done.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, Kelly, Beth, and Eric, thank you so much.
We had fun.
Thanks, Jim.
9 more to go.
You guys are doing great.
Thank you.
Way to hang in there, Beth. Jeez. Torches stamped.
For those of you watching on YouTube, please know that we are learning our tech problems. Kelly, 15.
Yes.
Yeah. All righty. Right, Angela. All right, let's let me go get the next group here.
Linganore?
Yeah.
Had a strong showing for the first match.
Let's hope.
Yeah, they knew their stuff.
Ooh, pets.
They really knew their stuff. Sunshine. Sunshine says hi. He's sitting right next to me. He doesn't like being too far away, so he's sitting right next to me. Wants to be on the show.
That's the best part about working from home is that we get to meet everyone's pets.
Yeah, that is very fun. Yeah, Anita had a great experience where she was gone for a second and Copper ran up and sat right on her chair and was looking right in the camera. And the kids were like, who's that? It was funny.
Your substitute teacher.
Yeah, exactly.
Today is going to be rough.
I was thinking the same joke, absolutely, but I didn't say it. Hi, Zachary. Toby.
Hello. Hello.
This is Linganore High School. Brunswick is done. I like your cool flashing lights, Toby.
Thank you.
Kind of on Broadway kind of thing going on there. Okay, so we got Zach and Toby and Tabitha.
We had to guess it was our turn because when Beth came in, she froze up immediately and was
Oh,
just
bless her heart.
so
Oh.
I don't know if she'll be back because she's
Jeez.
frozen over in the breakout room.
Right. Oh, bless her. Oh, there she is. Hey, Beth. Okay.
We're not having
We've got
any tech issues at all.
We've got all four. Who's the captain for this round?
I'm the captain.
Zachary? Okay, very good. Everybody set and ready to go? Mabel and Tabitha, put your mics on. Right? Mabel, yeah, and Zachary's the captain. Question 1. What is the capital of Colombia?
Answer, please.
No answer.
Bogota is the question. The answer for that one. Question number 2. This activist, who wrote over 40 books, wrote the autobiographical Night 10 years after his experience in Nazi concentration camps. Name him.
Eli Wiesel.
Yeah.
Did Zach say that?
Toby said that. Eli.
Okay, as a captain, yeah, I need you to repeat it just to make sure that was correct. Yep. That was question 2. Question 3. If the boiling point of 50 milliliters of water is 100 degrees, what is the boiling point of 100 milliliters of water?
Time.
No answer.
Also 100 degrees. Question 4. To what war was Ulysses Grant referring when he called it, I quote, one of the most unjust ever waged by a stronger against a weaker nation? This war took place from 1846 until 1848. Name it.
The Crimean War? Yeah. The Crimean War?
That's incorrect. It's the Mexican-American War. Mexican-American War. Question 5. What Dutch painter is famous for his Starry Night and for cutting off part of his ear?
Van Gogh. Van Gogh.
That's correct. Question 6. In sports, what does the NFL stand for?
National Football League. National Football League.
That's correct, and that completes round 1.
Mr. Hahn, if you'll let your participants switch places.
Yeah, you guys take off, except Zach and Tabitha, you're sticking around, and I imagine we'll be seeing Alex and Charlotte in a moment.
Very good.
So every time I go to a breakout room, it completely freezes. And if it turned off the second computer to try and help.
Excellent, Mr. Konsky. Way to deal.
So if they get in there before I do, Ms. Meisner, you just take over all the timing.
Okay, you got it, Kel. Okay, so we've got Zach and Alexander and Tabitha and Charlotte. Put your mics on. Who is the captain for this round?
I'm the captain.
Alexander. Very good. Okay. Round 2 is a math round. 4 questions, 2 math, 2 regular. Remember, you have 30 seconds. You'll be prompted with 5 seconds to go. And remember, in this round, rounds 2, 3, and 4, you might as well guess because you're going to get it right if you get it right, and you're going to get a point off if you get it wrong, no matter what, even if you don't guess. So take a shot at it for sure. All right, round 2, math, question 1. Evaluate the definite integral from -3 to 1 of 6 x squared minus 3dx.
Could you repeat that?
Evaluate the definite integral from -3 to 1 of 6 x squared minus 3x.
$44, I think.
And Alexander, was that you, Alexander, that said that?
Yes.
That is correct. 44 is correct. 2. What is the symbol for boron on the periodic table?
B.
B.
It's B.
That is correct. Question 3, math. Given f of x equals x plus 3 for all x less than 7, and f of x equals 6 minus x squared for all of x greater than or equal to 7, evaluate f of 4. Begin time.
Conferring, do you guys think that's -43?
1 sec. Agreed.
Okay. -43.
That is correct. And question 4. Name the protectionist bill of 1930, supported by Herbert Hoover, which threw up trade barriers around the United States.
Go with like tariff of 1930.
Sure.
If you don't have like specific
Tariff of 1930.
Worth a shot, but no, I'm sorry. The Hawley-Smoot tariff. And that completes round 2.
All right. So you guys are taking off, and others are coming back. All right.
Beth's starting to set up the next meeting, so I'm doing the hand timing now.
Yeah, whatever. The Hawley-Smoot Tariff Act. That takes me back to Ferris Bueller. That's my flashback right there. I'm thinking of Ferris Bueller's Day Off. So.
I did not get it from there, Mr. Hahn, but that's a cool connection for sure. Okay, let's see. We got Toby, Chloe, Thomas. Need one more. And there is Eric. Excellent. Who is the captain for this round?
I am the captain now.
Chloe, excellent. And we're all set and ready to go? All right, round 3, elements of the periodic table. I want to thank my good friend Noose Hism for writing these questions. Question 1. What is the atomic number of the element that is used as the base of all atomic masses on the periodic table?
6. Wait, hang on. Oh, no. I don't know if I heard the whole question.
Time?
6.
Response, please.
6.
6 it is. I'm going to give you that. Chloe, say
Okay.
it. Always say it. You got it right. Question 2. What is the name of the family on the periodic table that includes lithium, sodium, and potassium?
Alkali metals.
Yeah.
That is correct. I should let you confer just to make sure, right? Sorry. And question 3. What is the general trend in atomic size across a series on the periodic table?
In which direction?
That's the question.
Oh.
I think
Well-
along the top columns, maybe.
It's just across a series. I mean, it gets larger as it goes down, and it gets smaller as it goes to the right.
Okay, that's 2 answers. Give me one of them. Time, sorry.
It gets larger as it goes to the right.
Sorry, decreasing or getting smaller. It's incorrect,
Okay.
and that completes round 3. Sorry about that, Chloe. I know that was a tough one.
Wait, we can't give 2 answers anymore? We used to be able to do that.
But yeah, but if one of them's incorrect and one of them's correct, then it's no good.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you
All
can
right,
definitely
guys,
get two.
thanks. Good job. And that was it, right? That we're done.
Yep, that's it for round 3. Yep.
So Eric, you're sticking around, and send Alex. Oh, Chloe, you're sticking around too. But then Alex and Charlotte are coming back. So head back over to the breakout room. Good.
Uh-oh. Now we really lost Beth.
You're okay with keeping time and scoring, Kelly? Yes, she is. Okay, we got Eric, Alexander, Chloe, and Charlotte. Who's the captain this round?
Captain for this round.
Charlotte, very good. Okay, round 4, 7 questions, 1 up, 1 down for correct or incorrect. And Charlotte's the captain. Question 1, and as Chloe asked that question, and it was a good one. Yes, you can definitely give 2 pieces of information. I just have to make sure they're both correct. And that could have been correct for all I know. I know 0 about chemistry, so we'll look it up later and figure it out, Chloe. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Here's question 1 for round. Yeah, question 1 for round 4. The national championship in this fast-growing sport was, like many events in 2020, canceled and rescheduled for November 2021 in Indian Wells Garden in Palm Beach, Florida. Singles and doubles will be played, and past winners Simone Jardim, Irana Terashenko, and Ben Johns are scheduled to compete in what fun game that combines elements of table tennis, badminton, and tennis?
Pickleball.
Okay.
Pickleball.
Charlotte?
Pickleball.
Yep, how about that one from the captain? Yep, that is correct. Excellent, Alexander. Question 2. What taxonomic rank is in between kingdom and class?
Family, maybe?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be like.
Family?
No, I'm sorry, it's phylum. Phylum. Question 3. This Shakespearean character is required to take vengeance on the present king, but he is unsure if he can or should do so. Eventually, he accepts responsibility for killing the man, his uncle, who murdered his father and married his mother. Name this famed Prince of Denmark.
Yeah, that's
Hamlet?
Hamlet, yeah.
Hamlet?
That's correct. Question 4. The eponymous flowers may be the tallest things in this flat sunflower state. Name the state that Dorothy realizes she is not in anymore in The Wizard of Oz.
Kansas.
Oh, it's a choral reading. Love it. Correct. Question 5. Which reference book would you use to find words with similar meanings? Is defined as a book of synonyms, often including related words or antonyms. Name this kind of reference book.
Thesaurus.
Yeah.
Thesaurus.
That's correct. Question 6. Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest freestanding mountain in the world, is located in this country. Name it.
Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Right?
Yeah.
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 Tanzania.
Correct. And question 7. In the film comedy 21 Jump Street, the character played by Channing Tatum declared that he was taking AP chemistry. What he didn't realize was he was actually taking AP chemistry, and the AP stands for these 2 words.
Advanced
That is correct. That's correct. I'm cracking up my fiance over here. That is correct, and that completes a round and the match for Linganore. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Well done.
All right, head back over to the breakout room. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
Yep.
Thanks, Chris. Kelly, what's their score since
I got 11.
Okay. Yeah, we're having serious tech issues here, but
Oh, poor Beth.
it's okay. In 5 minutes.
You're handling it beautifully, beautifully.
Yes, thank you. And those of you listening to the recording, this is life in virtual world. So we have one more team to get through. We've set up the next match. Coach Strakonski behind me is going to welcome.
Good job.
But so we have 2 computers working, but let us go ahead and hopefully I can get back to this breakout room. Who knows? We'll see what happens.
We'll figure it out. Good job.
Figure it out indeed.
Tuscarora up next. Here we go. I'll tell you one thing, between matches, I'm going to have to stand up and stretch. This sitting is for the birds.
You're used to standing the whole time.
Standing in front of the podium is so much easier and better for me, but maybe I'll have to get a standing desk down the road.
Mm.
Say hi to Kelly.
Hi, sunshine.
Capper's too big to put on my lap, so we can't see the other dog. Winky's around here somewhere. I don't know where the kitty cat is. Hi, Emily.
Hi.
Hey, there's Beth.
You made it.
Mhm.
Allison, welcome. William?
How's the battery?
There's Meredith. We need one more, Meredith. We got Emily, Allison, and William.
Emily Fitzgerald should be here in a second.
Okay, and William and Allison, go ahead and take your put your mics on so we can hear you. Who will be the captain in this round?
I will be.
William, very good. And there's Emily.
Emily, get your camera on when you can, sweetie.
There she is. All right, are we all set? And put your mic.
Yeah, there you go.
Sorry.
Oh, no, not at all. You're doing great. Okay, so William is the captain, and this is round one. Remember, in round one, one up for a correct answer, no points off if you don't get it right.
And Ms.
Okay.
Nichols, if you'll turn your camera off.
We can read your face too well otherwise, no doubt. Oh, that one. All right, that wouldn't be good. Okay, round one. We all set? William's the captain. Here we go. What is the capital of Kenya?
I don't know.
I want to say Zimbabwe for whatever reason.
Zimbabwe.
No, that's my
Time.
No, I'm sorry, it's Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Question two.
Okay.
This word identifies the categories of literature. Examples could be a psychological thriller, a crime novel, or journals. Name the category of literature.
Genre?
Is it like realistic fiction, maybe?
Genre.
Genre's correct. Good. Question three. Yes, that was correct. Question three. Centuries before Columbus discovered America, a flourishing culture from this country had produced inventions such as block printing and gunpowder. Name it.
Wait,
I couldn't hear.
Did you all hear that?
I couldn't
Let me
hear.
try it again because my microphone was sliding down. Question three. I'm going to try it again. Centuries before Columbus discovered America, a flourishing culture from this country had produced such inventions as block printing and gunpowder. Name it.
Not Spain?
Would that be from here?
I gotta say Spain or France,
It was
maybe?
thinking civilization.
Alright.
Mayas or Incas. I think Spain.
Mayans?
Mayans.
Wait.
Mines.
I'm sorry, it's China. China.
China. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Gunpowder, yeah. Question four. What is the mass? Let me try again. Question four. What is the mass of 25 milliliters of water?
Answer?
100 grams.
I'm sorry, it's 25 grams. Question five. In sports, what does the NBA stand for?
National Basketball Association?
National
Yeah, National Basketball Association.
That is correct. Question six. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West have 4 kids. Name one of their first names.
North and
North.
Saint.
Yeah, it's North is one of them.
So
North and
North.
Saint. I think.
William?
We'll go with North.
It is North. It is also Saint, Chicago, and Psalm. So that was correct, and that completes round one.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The other match is coming in. Frank's putting them in another room, and we're trying to keep moving.
We're rolling. It's only 5:21. We're doing all right.
Yeah. So, Kel, I'm going to need you to just keep timing this time if it's okay. I keep
No
going.
problem. I can do it as long as you want me to.
We want to put up our Bitmoji classroom. Okay, Meredith, bring him back. There we go.
All right, there's Loris and Liam and Jerem. And Ms. Nichols. We need one more.
Can I clarify something very quickly?
Sure.
I thought in the meeting the other day that we said Eric was going to ask for a final response.
Yeah, which group are you in school?
I'm just looking for the captain and waiting for the captain. 5 seconds. I'm just pretty much figuring it out as we go along. So I'm looking for the captain.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure because I told the kids that.
And that's fine. That's fine. Do it that way. That's great. Super. Loris, go ahead and put your mic on. And we need one more, Ms. Nichols.
I can't actually see anything on my end, so hang on.
We've got Loris and Jerem and Liam.
Liam. Mm-hmm. So missing one.
We don't have Travis. Okay. Let me slip back and see. Oh, there he is.
Oh, there's Travis. Who's the captain in this round?
That would be me, Jerem.
Jerem, very good. I like the black and white look, Jerem. That's kind of cool. Okay.
Thanks.
All right, we all set then? You all four are ready to go. Round two is a math round. 1 point up for a correct answer, 1 point wrong for an incorrect answer. And you get 30 seconds, remember. Be reminded with 5 seconds to go. Okay? Everybody ready? Ms. Nichols, you're going to turn your camera off and we're all set. And Jerem's the captain. Question 1, math. Evaluate the definite integral from 1 to 4 of 5 plus 2x dx. Begin time.
Just asking my team, I got 30. I don't know if you guys want to check.
Doing that right now.
Five seconds?
30.
That is correct, and that's a perfect way to handle it, Jim. And I'll never say yes until I'm sure you mean it.
Okay.
That was correct. Question 2. In what metrical style of 5 beats per line did William Shakespeare write many of his plays and sonnets?
Is it the iambic pentameter? Iambic
Answer?
pentameter?
That is correct. Good. Question 3, math. Given f of x equals x cubed for all x less than or equal to -2, and f of x equals x minus 3 for all x greater than -2. Evaluate f of 1. Begin time.
All right, team, I got -8. Do you agree with that, Travis? Loris?
Yeah, that's what I
got
think.
it. I got it.
-8.
That is correct. Well done. Question 4. In NBA history, 7 times a player put up a postseason with 500 points, 150 rebounds, and 150 assists. Larry Bird did it once in 1987. One other player did it the other 6 times, including last October. Name this player who was in the finals with the Heat, Cavaliers, and most recently, the Lakers.
Liam? It looks like you're saying LeBron James.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, LeBron James.
It is the king indeed, LeBron James. That was for my son Jack, and that completes round 2. Well done. We're not that far behind. 5:26, and it'll go smoother, quicker
Frank's
doing fine.
typing in the breakout rooms right now.
Thank goodness for your hubby. We're
I
going.
know. I know. And we're still recording. I hope that works.
Hi, Brent.
Hello.
Jerem's back.
Jerem, who's the captain? I left before she said. Yeah, I think I'm the captain again. Okay, cool.
Natasha, one more. And there's Travis. Okay, and Jeremy, you said you were the captain in this round?
Yes.
Okay, and Travis, you're going to put your mic on. Travis, mic on?
Him and I are in the same room, so I think if we turn it on, we get feedback.
Oh, I got you. You guys know what you're doing. That's fine. Okay, round 3. Elements in the periodic table. I want to thank my good friend Noose Hism, who wrote these questions. All set? Remember, 1 up for a right answer, 1 off for a wrong answer. Question 1. Which chemical element has the highest melting point?
Brent, do you think it'd be lead or? I'm not sure. Lead.
I'm sorry,
Lead.
it's carbon. Carbon is the correct answer. Question 2. Which noble gas used in signs provides an orange-red light?
Neon, right? Yeah, neon. Neon.
That is correct. Question 3. Arrange these elements in order of increasing reactivity. Let me repeat that. Arrange these elements in order of increasing reactivity. Sodium, lithium, potassium.
Lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium, sodium, potassium.
That is correct, and that completes round 3. Well done.
We're doing
So
great.
Jen says hi.
Hi, Sunshine.
Sitting right next to me. Oh, there's something going on in the kitchen. Never mind.
Yeah. It took us 15 minutes to get started, so it looks like about 45 minutes per match.
Yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Yeah. Again,
And they're playing well. They're playing well.
watching our recording. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, we've got Connor and Brent and Jerem and Riley. You can put your mics on. And who's the captain in this round? So waiting on Jerem. Is Jerem the captain, Brent or Riley or Connor?
Jerem is captain, yeah.
Okay, just waiting on Jerem to get back in here. He might have to do a little tricky stuff here.
I see that he's here, but his camera's not on. Are you all seeing the same?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a brand new computer for him. Uh-oh. Okay, hang on. Sorry.
No, I understand tonight.
Jerem's thing is back. Connor, are you in the room with him?
No.
No, different. Okay.
Travis was in the room with him.
There he is. Hey, Jerem's back. Okay. Jerem, you're the captain?
Yes.
For this round? Okay, kind of put your mic back on, or is that never mind. Okay. Round 4. 1 up for a correct answer, 1 down for a wrong answer. Everybody ready?
Connor, unmute, please.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All set. Here we go. Question 1. The Disney villain is a toned-down version of a Charles Dickens character. In the Dickens piece, the character is vicious and a murderer. In Disney's version, the spelling of the name changes a bit, and the character becomes a loan shark with 2 Doberman sidekicks. The character is named Bill Sykes, and he torments Oliver in both the film and the Dickens novel. Name the novel.
I got no idea.
No guess, Jerem?
Gaston.
Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist. Question 2. This National Museum on the Mall in Washington, D.C. is split into 2 buildings, the East and the West. In the East building is modern works of art, whereas the West building has works from centuries ago, including the only Da Vinci in the Western Hemisphere. Name this museum.
Would it be the Smithsonian, Jerem? It's up to you.
Smithsonian of Art.
I think it's the National Gallery of Art, isn't it?
You can go with that.
Sure, go. The National Gallery of Art.
It is the National Gallery of Art, my favorite place in Washington, D.C. That is correct. Question 3. Someone suffering from kleptomania has a compulsive urge to engage in what bad habit?
It's stealing. Stealing.
You knew that disturbingly quickly. Question 4. This Greek mathematician from let me try that again. I should stop cutting jokes here. Sorry. This Greek mathematician from Alexandria is often referred to as the father of geometry, and his book Elements is one of the most influential works in the history of mathematics. Name him.
Brent, it's Euler, right?
Euclid. I've read the
Euclid?
Euclid.
Euclid.
That is correct. You've read that. I'm impressed. Question 5. Who served as the commander of the Union forces at the Battle of Gettysburg?
Grant.
Grant. That right?
Grant.
I'm sorry, it's incorrect. General George Meade. Grant wasn't quite there yet. Still in the West. Question 6. This desert is a rain shadow desert due to the Himalayas blocking rain, carrying clouds from reaching its territory. Historically, this Asian desert is notable for its importance to the Silk Road and for being part of the Mongol Empire. Name this desert bounded by the Atlay Mountains to the north, the Tibetan Plateau to the southwest, and the North China Plain to the southeast.
Is it the Gobi Desert?
It's the one in China. Gobi doesn't sound right. Does anyone else?
Gobi's in Egypt, I think.
You can just go Gobi.
Gobi.
It is Gobi. Good. Way to go. You don't know it, then say it. Absolutely right. That's right. Good job, Connor. And question 7. Andy Warhol's 1960s art exhibitions famously appropriated familiar images from consumer culture and often featured cans of what product?
Tomato soup.
Campbell soup.
Campbell's soup, yeah. Campbell's soup.
Soup or Campbell soup would have been correct, and that completes the match. Well done, Tuscarora.
Woo woo! Yay! Good job, guys. Did we go back, or are you bringing everybody back?
Oh, I can't hear you, Beth. Your mic's off.
You're muted.
Yes, I'll end the breakout rooms, I hope, but
Okay.
Thank you. We'll get there, I promise.
Oh, you're doing great. You're doing great.
Oh my
We're
gosh.
doing great. So, Ms. Nichols, if you'll go with your team, I have to talk to my staff.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry.
Okay. So you talk to them one quickie. We have a second and third place tie.
Oh, that's a tie. No. Let that go. That's a tie.
Okay.
That's no. We're not doing any extra questions for that. No.
I'm going to try and end these breakout rooms, but again, having a
You might go away. Yep.
in my.
We'll split the match.
I'm going to stand and take a quick break, but I'll be ready whenever they're ready.
Okay. Now my breakout room problem is upon us. Frank, you need to mute. It's you. Hold on. Okay. Thank you. Okay, they're coming. Trusting. So again, thank you those of you who are watching this first recording and our first attempt. We appreciate you. We're all coming back. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for our first shot tonight. We'll learn, we'll get more efficient, and we thank you for your patience and kindness and your hard work and your teamwork. I was very impressed with all your teamwork. So we had in first place this evening, Brunswick with 15 points, and then a tie for second and third between Linganore and Tuscarora with 11 points. So we thank everyone, and we will see you next week. And as soon as this lag is over, we're going to stop this recording. All right, everybody. Good night. Good night. Thank you.